Alright guys, welcome back again to this HTML course. Alright, so we're just gonna continue, let's remove what we made, like on the last lesson. Let's see, okay, right now we can try more tags. Let's see, okay, let's use paragraph first and then say my name is, in here we can use the Q tab. It's tag. It's for quotes. Let's say here my name is freelancers gate. Hold on. Okay, right now let's go again and refresh. See, it says my name is, and then it's put the text inside quotes. Okay, let's see. Also, there is like tag. Let's say for example for P we can leave here like class. Okay, or not class, let's put this inside a dev. Okay, let's say dev, and here class, let's say, just say PG. Okay, just like this, and then we're gonna go here. Okay, let's go, then we can go here inside style. Okay, like the style tag. Remember we saw a little about the style tag. It's we can put like the CSS inside this tag, and it should be inside the header, but also we can put inside the body. You know, that's not going to create any problems, but it is recommended that you put it inside the header. Okay, we can also use it like we did before, like with JavaScript, you know, like use it like as an external file, you know, and then call it here, you know, by using like style and then source. Okay, let's go here, and then we're gonna say dot pg. Okay, and let's say what we want to do with pg. Let's say font size. Okay, font size, we want it to be how much? Say 30 pixels, I guess, is probably a lot. Okay, let's go back and refresh. See, the text become 30 pixels. And if we go here, say div is like a container. If we go here and say the tag here for Q, let's say div, for example, like this, and then we're gonna refresh. Let's add something else. Let's say here, no, hold on. Font family. Let's say what? See, it gives like a lot of options here actually. Let's just say Arial. Save. Let's just say Arial only. Okay. And then let's go back up there. See, the font changed. Okay. What else we can add there? Let's say text align. Okay, we want it to be, it's like where you want the text to be. Let's say the center. Okay, when I'm gonna go back, say the text is gonna like become in the center. See, for everything, instead of just to go in here, for example, let's say in the making it like for everything, we can just, you know, use a container. Okay, or a section. Okay, and then let's say, let me show you something else. Let's say here we say color, like hold on, background color, and then we're gonna say let's say, okay, let's say this color, and then we're gonna refresh. See, the color for the whole container, but not just like for one or two elements, but for the whole, for everything that I put inside the div, it's gonna have the same style I put here. Okay, okay, you know, like this, you know, and so on. Let's see, what else? And the div tag is, you know, it's like content division. Okay, or a section, you know, in HTML document. And like I said, it is used as a container, like for HTML elements, which then you see can be called in CSS like we did here, or we can just say here like a dev. Hold on, let's remove that dot. Dev, just like this, and then when we're gonna go back, see, it's gonna stay the same. And then we can call it, you know, easily here. We can also use here, let's say, if we is, let's say, ID, and then here we say PG. Okay, and we go here and we say ID like this, and then we save, then refresh. See, it's like it's the same. But for example, if we change this PG and say here PG1, and then we're gonna go to class and say class, and then we say here PG. Okay, look what's gonna happen. See, nothing, because we call the class PG and the ID PG1. But here when we go, see, we put here like it's like a diez. See, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put dot, like, so it's gonna be class. Or if we put like this, like for ID, we'll like, hold on, see, a dot for class, and like this for ID. And then we're gonna go here and say 1, and then we're gonna refresh again. It's gonna go back. See how it was. All right, let's see. What else? We can actually also like do like this, like for the style. Let's say, for example, for P, and then we can say or let's say for dev, let's remove the class. Okay, and here let's remove this one too. Okay, so first let's refresh. When we refresh, it's gonna show nothing. Okay, so we can like copy everything we already did here, or let's just write it ourselves. We can do like this, like style. See, and then here we can write anything we want. Let's say font size. We want the font size to be how much? 30 pixels. Let's say 20 pixels. We want, what else? We want font family. Family to be Arial, or just like this, Arial. And we want what else? Text align to be center. Yeah, to be center. And we want background color, and you want it to be okay, like this. See, and then hold on, and then we're gonna save, go back. Okay, let's even remove the style here. Let's remove the style from the header. When we're gonna go back, refresh, see. But this, for example, you know, we'll have like to do like this. Let's say if we have another dev here, okay, let's say another dev like this, and we put like some content in here. We'll have to do like the same to it, you know, like on and on and on and on. But instead, you know, we can just use like all the style we need like inside the head, like in here, okay? Or we can, it's even better, you know, if we use like an external file. That will be even like better than like putting everything in one page. Like that will just make it, it will make the page like so heavy, and it's gonna like load like slower. All right, let's see. Let's remove this one. Okay, we can also do like a tag called pre, like hold on, let's go here first. Let's say P. Okay, like this, I want to show you something. And here we're gonna say just say some nonsense. Okay, space nonsense, space nonsense. Here again, let's go here like this. Okay, and then we're gonna go here and say pre. Okay, and then we're gonna copy the same nonsense that we put here and put it inside here. Okay, let's make some space like this. Okay, and this one like this. Okay, just like this. Then we're gonna save, and then we're gonna go back, refresh. You see here for the first one, wait, let's first say here, let's say just p tag. Okay, no, let's say end of p tag. And here then we're gonna say new pre tag. Okay, like this, and then save, and then we're gonna go here. See, it says the end of the tag. See, but here pre tag, see, it formats the text exactly as we put it in here. Okay, so if we put like this one all the way back here, we'll put this one all the way back here, what is going to happen is it's going to print it exactly, see how we put it. But here it doesn't even respect the space, it only like respects the first space I put here. See, hold on, everything here See, it's just like one space. That's all it is. You know, but if you want to do here like without it, for example, you can do like br, see, like this, and then let's use here, hold on, another br, another, see, this is so time consuming, and here let's say br. Okay, save. Then when we go up here, see, it prints it all in the middle. If we use, for example, let's say I don't know, like space. Okay, let's go back here. This is like space in the in HTML. Hold on, let me yeah, it's in BESP. Yeah, like this is the space. So for example, if we put like a lot of these here, okay, like this, let's put this here like 2, let's put this here 1, let's put here 6 or something like this. Then we're gonna save, then we're gonna refresh. See, here it still like gives us like just like little space. Okay, let's add like more and more. You know, this is just like time consuming. Okay, so it's like will never be done. Okay, so just like to move it like a little. See what happened? Just to move it a little, we put there a lot of code, and then we made the page a lot more heavier. So we can just use p tag instead and save time for you know, for ourselves. All right, let me see what the time is. Okay, it's only 11 minutes. All right, for example, you know, here we can use it, let's say for if we want to print, let's say code. Let's say here, for example, class, okay, and then here we're gonna say new class, okay, like for example, like in Java, and we're gonna say public static, yeah, public static, and then void main, okay, like this, string, and then let's say str, or no, hold on, args, and then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna say system out, and then print line. See, and then we're gonna say here, let's say hold on, hello world. Let's copy this one like this. Okay, first, and then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna put it here too. Okay, see, it's the same thing. So look what's gonna happen. I'm gonna refresh. See, it prints everything here on the same. Hold on, here I said cals. It's class. Okay. Class. Okay. See, when we're gonna go here, see, it prints this one exactly as we wrote it here. But for this one, it prints it in here because it's in the middle. Let's remove the text align here. Let's remove this one. Fresh back. Okay, see, it's gonna like print exactly how we wanted it to, but not like with like just the p tag. Okay, it doesn't respect the format we used. Okay, let's see. Great. All right, so there is also tags that are made specifically for like the way we write text in HTML, like for example em, strong, var, like keyboard, kdb, and code as well. Let's see an example. Let's remove everything inside the dev. Let's see, or let's keep everything inside the dev. Okay, let's go down here and say br. Okay, and here we're gonna say, let's try the first one. Let's say let's use em. Okay, em is like emphasized, like let's say here this text is emphasized like this, and then we're gonna click like save. When we're gonna go up here, see, it says the text is emphasized. You can see here the difference between this text and this text. Okay, we can also try like strong, like this, and then we're gonna say this text, hold on, is strong. and then we're gonna save. Actually, we already saw strong last time. Hold on, br, save, go back, and here you see the text becomes strong. Let's see what else. I think I showed you strong before. Yeah, I did. All right. Anyway, I remember. Yeah, it was in the first lesson. Right now we also have another tag like for definition. It's just like DFN, like this. This tag is for DFN. Okay, definition. Let's go save and let's put like another tag like just P here with it. This is P tag like this. Let's go up here, BR again, save, go up here, see, this tag is DFN. You can see here the normal P tag. I'm not sure if you can see the difference here in text. Let me make it bigger. Okay, can you see here? This is P tag, this is emphasized, this is like normal, like paragraph but strong, and this is the normal paragraph. Okay, great. There is also another tag. Let's say, hold on, Samp. Okay, and you say here like this is Samp tag. This is like code, okay, but like different format. We're gonna go here and say again, see, this is Samp and this is the paragraph. If we go here again and say code, and then we're gonna say this is code tag. The code tag is usually used like in terminal, for example, in CMD, so you can see that, hold on, let's refresh. Let's click on BR. Let's use BR, but not here, like up here. Okay, save, go back up. See, this is like the code tag. This font is usually the font that's no, hold on, let's remove Arial here, like font family. Okay, we're gonna go back up. Okay, this font is usually the font that's used like in terminal, like in CMD, in shells, that it is used for coding. Okay, we also have a keyboard tag. It's okay, it's like this. It's just KBD, just like this. It makes the text look like keyboard text. Let's say this is keyboard text. We're gonna go up, refresh again with the BR. Okay, refresh. You can see here it prints this is keyboard text. Let's again like make it bigger. Okay, this is the P tag and this is the keyboard tag. Okay, without like the font family like in CSS. All right, there's also like another tag. It's var. This is a var tag. Save, go up again. Okay, go up again, refresh, and then here you can see the var tag looks completely different than all these tags. Okay, this is the font of like the variables like in the HTML. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, let's say here P again, the end. Okay, and then we're gonna go up down here, and then let's right now like for the link tag. Okay, let's say here no, let's say freelancers gate, like this. Okay, let's go up, refresh. It's gonna just show it as a text. Okay, let's go down here. Okay, but when we go here and we like create like an attribute href like this, and then the link, let's say YouTube. Okay, like this. I mean, I don't want it like to really like redirect me like to YouTube. So anyway, I'm just, you know, writing YouTube here. When we're gonna go up here, see it become blue because it become a link. If we click here right now, it's gonna see the file is not found because I didn't use HTTPS. But for example, if I used here, let's say HTTPS, because I don't want it to redirect me like to YouTube, so I'm just gonna add here .com. Okay, so when we click again here, no, hold on, we forgot to refresh. See here, it redirects me like to HTTPS .youtube. Okay, in here, see, it's not found because here we didn't add .com. Okay, let's go back. For example, let's say if you're let's say if you have a website and the website uses HTTPS and also HTTP, we can, for example, instead of this, we can just do like this. See, just like // okay, and if it's, let's say this one, if you're running it, the problem is if you're running this one on let's say just on files like this, it's gonna like take you to the files. See, hold on, see, like this. If we because we didn't add, but for example, if this is, let's say it was a local host or like a web domain, it's gonna then redirect us like without if let's say we were browsing Google on HTTPS. Okay, it's gonna redirect us here to HTTPS like .google.com. But if we're browsing Google on just like HTTP, for example, without like a secure connection, it's gonna redirect us like to a link like with HTTP and then // okay, so in that respects all right, let's see, you know, so remember, this is like for external links, you know, we can use like this. For internal links, we can just do like this. Okay, or we can also do like this if we want it to be like external and internal. Okay, depends where are you running the page, or where are you viewing the page. Okay, all right, let's see what else. We can also add, yes, here it's like if one like the link to be opened like in a new no, hold on, if one the link to be opened in a new tab, we can put here like underscore and then blank like this. If we go up here again, refresh, see, it's gonna open it in a new page. Okay, like this. All right, so like this. But if we removed, let's say, let's double this one, let's say here 2, and then let's remove the target here, and then refresh, and we're gonna refresh here. See, it uses the same page, like the same window, the same tab, but here it opens another tab for us. Okay, great. Let's see, we can also do, you know, like the same, we can put here, let's say, an image inside. Let's say here, for example, image. Okay, if we want the image to be like the link. Okay, and then we can say here like source no, hold on, image.png. hold on, let me check if I have an image on my okay, yeah, I have HTML5.png, and then we're gonna say here alt. Okay, and then I'm gonna say here, let's say I'll just say HTML, and then save. When we're gonna up again, let's use first like BR, and then we're gonna go here, refresh. See, it's gonna show like an image, and when I click on this image, okay, it's gonna take me to the link that I said here. Let's say YouTube. Okay, HTTPS like this. Okay, then we're gonna go up, refresh. I click on the image, okay, not the text, on the image. It's gonna take me to YouTube. Okay, so like this. You know, meaning we can use other tags inside, like the a tag, like the link tag. All right, so I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's probably enough. Or let's do like one more. Okay, let's do just one more. Okay. HTML actually, you know, we can right now. Let's say I showed you like a little bit about HTML. You know, we can take a better idea, okay, of how we can use HTML5 because HTML5 has all the tags of HTML, for example, HTML4, and also HTML5 doesn't require a server like to serve the page like on the browser. HTML5 also has more advanced features than HTML4 that makes it, you know, easy to use for developers and normal users. It allows us to run a lot of things, you know, for example, like it allows us to run videos like audio files and also draw, for example. It gives us like an advanced way, let's say, if dealing with JavaScript and style as well. And HTML5, you know, there is things that doesn't need like the server side, which means, you know, the server load and the HTTP requests, you know, only like the client side, you know, which is the browser, you know, can handle those features. And also the way actually of typing HTML5 is just like HTML, okay, but HTML5 has a lot more tags. Let's start, for example, with the article. With the article tag. Okay, let's remove everything we have here, like on the body. Let's keep the div and then remove everything. Okay, let's see here. Let's say yeah, article, like this. And then we're gonna say here, hello, this is the article tag. Okay, save, go to the browser, refresh. See, hello, this is the article tag. Okay, the article tag is like to define an independent article like inside the HTML page, I mean document. We can also use here like a side. Hold on. Okay, side, and then we're gonna say here, hold on, this is a side tag like this, and then refresh again and see, this is a side tag. Okay, this is how you see here. See, this is the header, this is the figure, see, this is the nav bar here, like nav, this is the header, article, and then there is footer. Okay, let me show you another picture so you can get like a better idea. Okay, this is the header, see, the nav bar, also like nav bar here again. This is the main, like it's here like the main, it's like the main div, okay? And also in the main it's the body, okay, where is like stuff inside. And there is article, see, article, 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 and here there is a side, see, and inside us, in that side we can also put like another nav bar, and then there is footer. Okay, all right, so this is like the HTML5 structure. Okay, let's go back again. All right, let's see. All right, so HTML5 also like supports audios, like for example MP3, OGG, and WAV as well. It supports video and audio control, like for example Flash Player. It has controls like forward the video or stop the video, and you know, and stuff like that. And all the browsers, you know, support HTML5. Let's for example create. Hold on. Yeah, let's create like an audio tag. Let's say here h2 audio. Okay. Then okay, yes. Then we're gonna go here and then say audio, and here we're gonna say controls, because if we don't use controls, it's not gonna display the controls, so we'll not be able to play or stop the audio. Okay, like this. And then here we're gonna say source. the source, and then like source like cr, I mean src, and then I have like an audio file. I downloaded an audio file on my computer. It's on my downloads, and it's called audio.mp3. Okay, and here we're gonna say type. The type, this one it's audio because it's mp3. I'm gonna say mpg. Okay, like this, and then we're gonna close it this way. Then we're gonna save, go to the browser, run. Here it's gonna print see, like this. For example, if we let's say I put like an invalid file here, I don't have, let's say audio1, I don't have this a file called audio. When we refresh, RC is going to display 0 0, but we cannot play it because there is nothing. Let's put it back again, and then here we don't, like, we remove controls. Okay, Control S, we'll go back up. See, it doesn't appear because it doesn't have any controls. So we're gonna go back, refresh. Okay, see, these are the controls here. See, play, you can forward, move the audio however you want. See, play. Okay, and we can do the same here, like for other, like let's say audio types, like for example OGG or wave, for example, and also here like OGG, and wave, and okay, and so on. Okay, let's put back to MP3, and then let's create like the same thing here, but like with video. Okay, here we're gonna say video controls again, and here I have a video again. I downloaded a video, okay, called video.mp4. okay, not like I'm just putting here, and then it generates like a video itself. I have this video like on my computer, and here we're gonna say video, and here mp4, save. When we're gonna go up here, hold on, I think I do have that. Oh, yeah, my bad. I forgot here. It needs to be video, and here video. Okay, save, go back up. See, even though it was audio, see here it still played it, even though it's a video, but without like any image. Alright, so we can go back up here, and then it displayed the video. You can see here, hold on, let's say here, wait, hold on. Okay, we can sit here, for example, let's say width. Okay, we want it to be, let's say hold on, 100%. Let's save, and when we refresh, no, hold on. Okay, see here, it if we remove like the audio here, I'm sorry, if we remove the width here, okay, and then we save again, okay, and then here, see, it's gonna display the video, see, like this. Alright, if we edit here, let's remove right now controls like for the video, okay, and then we're gonna refresh. See here, there is no controls again. See, there is video, but see, we cannot play the video, so we need to add controls again. Save, then go back up again. See, the video is working, and we can play the video forward, back, and so on. Alright, and you see here I have the video on my downloads. See, if we go here, see, files, users, downloads, and they have this one on my Alright, so let's see what else. We can also go here, for example, let's say for the video, and we can say here your browser, for example, no, your browser doesn't support HTML5. See here when we no, HTML5. Okay, like this. And then let's put it also like in the audio here. And then we're gonna refresh. See, it's not gonna appear. This text will only appear if the browser doesn't support HTML5. Okay, otherwise this is gonna be fine. If we go here, for example, say audio 3, save, go up here, refresh. See, it says invalid like format. Hold on, invalid format. That's because I don't have video 3 on my computer. Okay, so we can also do again like this, you know, with like other formats. Okay. All right. So yeah, I think that's about enough for today again. All right, guys. See you on the next lesson.